This 5-minute solution will show you how to log into your Valorant account on computer. To log into your Valorant account, first of all open your browser and type here Valorant. Open the first link. Once you are here, click on Play Free. Now you will get here two options. If you already have an account, then click on Sign In. If you don't have a Valorant account, then click on Make One to create a brand new account. So to log into your account, click on Sign In. Now enter here your Valorant account username and password and click on this arrow icon, and this is how we can log into Valorant account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.